Samsung are killing off their Messages app for real this time. It's shutting down in July 2026. It's already been taken off the new Galaxy S26, and by the summer you won't be able to download it at all. So if you've been using it as your default messaging app, you've got a bit of planning to do. Here's 5 alternatives that actually do the job. There's 5 main options, and honestly, none of them is a perfect one-for-one replacement. Each one's good at different things, so I'll go through them and you can pick the one that fits how you actually use messaging. You've got Google Messages, WhatsApp, Instagram DMs, Telegram, and Signal. 5 very different apps, 5 very different reasons to pick them. First option is Google Messages. This is Samsung's own recommendation, and honestly, it's the most natural switch. It's the only Android app that fully supports RCS, which is the thing that gives you typing indicators, read receipts, and reliable messaging with iPhone users. You probably already have it installed. It's already the default on most Android phones. If RCS matters to you, this is basically your only option. Second is WhatsApp. 3 billion people use it. Chances are your mum, your dad, your boss, they're already on it. It works across iPhone, Android, PC, Mac. Free voice and video calls built in, end-to-end encrypted by default. If what you want is maximum reach with zero effect to convince anyone, this is the easiest switch you'll ever make. It's owned by Meta, which some people don't love, but for pure reach, nothing beats it. The last 2 serve very different needs. Telegram is the power user option, groups of 200,000 people, bots, 4 gigabyte file sharing. It's the most feature-packed messenger out there. Catch is, chats aren't end-to-end encrypted by default. You need to switch to secret chats for that. Signal is the opposite, of fewer features, but it's encrypted end-to-end on absolutely everything. It collects almost no data about you. It's what security professionals actually use. So which one are you switching to? Drop a number 1 to 5 in the comments. 1 for Google, 2 for WhatsApp, 3 for Instagram, 4 for Telegram, 5 for Signal.